there's big lightning. Ah.
Damn, it's starting to pour down.
Mother of shit.
Wow, the thunder has definitely gotten closer.
I'm gonna go in a little bit.
I need to pee.
I need to pee.
Well, I do. All this water makes me need to pee.
It does.
Come like right here. You'll have
Where's the big lightning? Ow, ow.
Yeah, you go where the thunder goes, like right there.
Ew, it is raining hard.
Oh,
Shit.
You were looking away.
Fuck.
Get it? Son of a bitch, I won't have the water tomorrow.
Hate thunder like
But
that.
there's
Look at all the
water.
water pouring on.
It started
There's
pouring
big
a lot.
lightning like over there. I'm gonna go in a little bit.
Get it? I don't give a damn.
I need
You're
to
not gonna
pee.
get. Can we
I
turn the
was
light
struck
off?
by lightning.
No,
Yeah,
no,
turn the light
Turn the light
off.
off.
I don't want to get struck by lightning.
I know. I just lit a candle just in case.
Holy shit, no. I cannot look away. Woo!
Get it?
But it was a small one.
Fuck, that's
Damn,
good.
it's
I won't.
really
It's really raining hard. Daddy said
Now
it's
it's
barely
raining hard.
raining.
Now
It's
it is.
barely raining, but it's
It is raining hard as a
Son
motherfucker.
of a bitch. Yeah, don't get so. God, I haven't seen it pour off the roof like that in a while. Allie, right?
been a while.
They said the thunderstorms were supposed to be here till Saturday. But that's good.
Hopefully not
Allie,
a
it's
year
dirty.
ago.
We'll check the weather. We might not go
Keep
deal with
Olivia
it like
inside.
this.
Oh,
Olivia's out back already because she was by the back door whining.
damn.
No, all you have to do is have her say, oh, it's all right.
If she might have you get scared.
That's why you don't let her outside.
Well, she's all wet now. She can come in. God, I haven't seen the water shoot off the roof like that in a while. You, Allie?
It's raining hard, that's why.
Oh, you know what?
Look how hard it's raining.
I know. We need to put this.
Damn, I could just give me a shower right there.
Look it, we need to put this out here to get some rainwater. Is that okay? Ocean plant.
Put it up here by the thing.
Oh, shit.
Up there.
Oh,
Right there, that's
my lightning. Oh, my God, it's windy now.
I know it's going to blow off. Oh, we'll put it right here.
Damn.
Or,
I guess God's just like,
Someone
God's
needs to
saying
save me.
release the Kraken.
No, I saw it on Facebook because there's a
No, but that's good.
Holy
Good
crap.
because it blew dirt everywhere now to clean everything.
You see how
I have
hard
never,
it's shooting
I haven't
off?
seen it shooting
It's
off
like shooting
that.
almost over there.
Good thing oh shit, my water good last night.
Oh, well.
That's alright. More
The
water.
grass needed it. I'm going to turn the water off.
Turn the water
Turn the
off.
sprinklers off. It's raining like a cat pissing on a flat tin roof.
It's pissing like I need to go piss.
This is fucking good. Damn.
I need to pee. But I don't want to piss.
Lightning, fuck.
It's so
Yeah,
nice
you almost
out
lost your
there.
phone.
Damn, it's like
flooding the foyer in here.
It will.
there's like rain coming from right here. You see how hard it's raining?
Look at this. Look at
I've
this.
never seen it rain this hard.
Really?
No.
It has. I haven't seen it shoot off the roof like that.
I've never
in
seen
many
it shoot
years.
off the wall thing like that much.
I've seen it rain like this on movies and games, but not in real
Wow.
life. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you missed it,
That was
Bethany.
some cool.
Stay right here. You can get almost out. Look.
I know, but the water's coming.
It's wetting me. It's wetting me, Bethany.
Stay out.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, Bethany.
I know.
Oh, the wind's blowing the water in the foyer.
Can't see anything. My camera's so damn dark.
Daddy says hardly raining out here, and I come out and said, what?
Well, in Arkansas,
What?
it rains a lot.
No, it wasn't raining like this, I guess, when he came
Oh.
out. God, Bethany, look at this water.
I know, it's like fucking shooting off.
This is a fucking trip. I haven't seen it like that.
I can take a shower.
Over 10 years, Bethany.
I know, it's raining hard. That's good.
Then so I told Daddy, turn the water sprinklers off. Turn the sprinklers off, badass!
All I heard was there's gonna be a dust storm, and then, yeah.
No, is that her plant's getting some water? That's good, the one that they got. I'm going to put it in a bigger pot. That was really sad, Bethany, that was the only plant that Ocean and them sent out for the funeral. Nobody sent flowers or nothing. If I'd have known that, I would have sent some flowers out. But you know, we had that basket with forever flowers, you know.